Come test drive this 2016 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, speed-sensitive wipers, adjustable pedals, and a split folding rear seat. State-of-the-art amenities such as memory seats and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.